Hi, I'm Natalie.
And I'm Nakia, and this is 6 in 6 Minutes.
Lives!
Previously filmed.
My name is Catherine of Aragon, was married 24 years, I'm a paragon. I'm that Boleyn girl and I'm up next, see I broke England from the church, yeah I'm that sexy. Jane Seymour, the only one he truly loved, rude. Ich bin Anna of Cleves, yeah. When he saw my portrait, he was like, yeah. Prick up your ears, I'm the Catherine who lost her head for my promiscuity outside of wedlock. 5 down, I'm the final wife. I saw him till the end of his life. I'm a survivor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You read a Bible verse that I'm cursed cause I was your brother's wife. You say it's a pity cause quoting Leviticus I'll end up kiddyless all my life. If you can just explain a single thing I've done to cause you pain, I'll go. No. No way. There's no way. Okay? It's her or me, chump. Don't wanna be some girl in a threesome. Are you blind? Henry's out every night on the town, just sleeping around like what the hell? If that's how it's gonna be, maybe I'll flirt with a guy or 3 just to make him gel. Sorry, not sorry about what I said. I'm just trying to have some fun. LOL, say oh well, or go to hell. I'm sorry, not sorry about what I said. Don't lose your head. And then he cut off my head. But I know, without my son, your love could disappear. And though it isn't fair, but I don't care, 'cause my love will still be here. When the fires burn, the wind has blown, the water's dried, you'll still find stone. My heart of stone.
Really? That's interesting because when I wanted to hold my newborn son, I died.
Welcome to the House of Holbein, yeah! You bring the corset, we bring the cinches. No one wants a waist over 9 inches. Ignore the fear and you'll be fine. We'll turn this weird into a 9. So just say yeah and don't say 9. 'Cause now you're in the House of Holbein. Your Highness, your Highness, your Highness. I wanna go hunting and eat takers. I'm not fake 'cause I got acres and acres, paid for with my own riches. Where my hounds at, release the bitches. Wolf. My horses can trot up to 12 miles an hour. Let me explain. I'm a Venus schnitzel, not an English flower. No one tells me I need a rich man doing my thing in my positive rich man. 'Cause I'm the queen of the castle. Get down, you dirty rascal. Get down. Guys, I have the plague.
Oh my god, really?
I'm just kidding. My life's amazing.
I think we can all agree that I'm the 10 amongst these 3s.
And ever since I was a child, I made the boys go wild. Tall, large, Henry VIII, supreme head of the Church of England. Globally revered, although you wouldn't know it from the look of that beard. Bite my lip and pull my hair as you tell me I'm the fairest of the fair. Playtime's over. The only thing you wanna do is... And Jane, dying of natural causes? When will justice be served? Remember that I was a writer. I wrote books and psalms and meditation, fought for female education so all my women could independently study scripture. I even got a woman to paint my picture. Why can't I tell that story? 'Cause in his story, I'm fixed as one of 6, and without him
star for Kathy Parr.
We're free to take our crowning glory for one more minute. It's the end of the show, of the history mix. We switched up the flow and we changed the prefix. Everybody knows that we used to be 6 wives. We're 6.
We're in a marathon, bro.
That was very difficult. We hope you enjoyed our version of 6 in 6 minutes.
If you want to see more content like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for behind the scenes content, be sure to like our social media pages. The links are below.
Also, if you have any more suggestions for videos like this for musicals, please comment down below. Bye!